gagawin sa akin ng asawa ko pag nangyari yun, siguro i-divorce mo ako. Natatawa ka sa itsura ng asawa ko. Ano yung itsura yan? Lapit!
It's oil over. Clean bamboo is going in. That's a lot of meatballs.
That's what I thought.
Alright, y'all ready for this?
Hi mga kachupapis! For today's video, magre-ready tayo for the 4th of July, Independence Day. It's always 4th of July.
Yes, it's always 4th of July. Let's celebrate it because it's the day the United States won their independence. Back then, it was not a free country.
Yes.
It's not a free country, but now it is.
And then today, we're gonna cook
We're gonna cook my favorite recipe, kapon.
kapon. Yung, ang tagal-tagal na namin never nakakain ng kapon
Okay, they're
this
open.
year.
So we are good to go.
So, let's go! Papakita ko ulit sa inyo kung paano magluto ng favorite kapon ng aking asawa. It's among dishes.
Ready?
So, happy Independence Day mga kachupapis! Dahil kahit Pilipina tayo, nagsi-celebrate na tayo ng Independence Day dahil dito na tayo nakatira. And, wala lang, super saya lang. Kaya gising ko lang mga kachup. Very, very duper duper happy. Nakita natin kung ano mga bibili natin sa Ann's Asian Store. Balik ako kayo later mga chupa.
I'm so happy that they're open. They don't celebrate American holiday. I'm sure they do too, but they don't believe that they should close.
Yeah. Yay! We're here! Bibili kami ng pangkapon.
Chili bamboos and water bamboos are the same price. I just always buy the Arroyo Root.
They look like this, so what is this?
Fried beans. What's beans? This one. Easy access. That guy told me I can use this, and it turned out okay. They look very paste. Red curry paste, 2 of these. Too bad. I can't really get the big one, so it's a little bit more.
Okay. I'm gonna get the bigger one.
Fried onion, fried garlic.
May ano, buko.
This?
Yeah.
Buko.
That's my favorite.
Okay, buko. So we use half of that for the egg roll, and then we use half of that for the kapon. About 3?
Maybe 2.
2?
Yeah. 3. Ito ba fresh? Fresh. Fresh yung kunin natin mga kachupa. Yan. Bawang. 2.
Lots of meat.
Ayo. What is that? Is this blood?
Huh?
Oh yeah, pork blood. Pwede pala ako magdinuguan dito mga kachupa. Oh. What is this?
Maybe next time. I have a lot to eat already.
Okay.
But they don't last long.
Medyo mabibisi kami for today's video kasi magluluto kami ng egg rolls and kapon. And then later, mag-watch tayo ng fireworks. Punta naman kami ngayon sa Walmart. Hindi pa ako nag-checking kasi naantok pa ako mga kachupa. Bili tayo ng chicken, yung mga ground beef na kailangan natin. Kasi dito sa Ann store wala silang ground beef at saka wala silang roasted chicken. So, let's go!
You want to use
Walmart!
ground beef for the egg rolls or pork? You can use either one.
Whatever you want. Whatever you want.
Traditionally, we use pork. Ground beef will work too. It just gives
Hey,
it a
where are you
different
going?
taste. Going this way. Going a different way.
Okay.
So I think the Angus might make it taste really super good. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go!
We can start our cooking.
Mga kachupa, nandito na ako sa sasakyan. Ang init, mga kachupa. Huwag ko muna. Kasi hindi ko alam kung paano isaksak to. Buksan ko sana mga kachupa para buksan ko yung bintana. Kaya lang, hindi ko alam kung paano. Papaturong ako mamaya sa asawa ko. Kasi kinakabahan ako. Baka mamaya pagka hindi ko nag-start tapos biglang umanda. Ako yung gagawin sa akin ng asawa ko pag nangyari yun. Siguro i-divorce mo ako. Bangga ko pa yung sasakyan ng ibang sasakyan, no? Doble-doble gastos. Pero feeling ko naman, hindi naman aandar ang sasakyan ng ginaganon lang ang susi, diba? Mag-i-start, oo, pero hindi siya aandar. Pero takot ako mga kachupa, hindi pa ako ganun very, yung asawa ko bumili ng tubig dahil ihahalo niya dun sa kapon. Buti na lang makachupa na alala niya nung nandito pa kami. Kasi kung nakauwi na kami, dami na naman nakalimutan. Isa-isa na naman tayo. Babalik-balik. Kaya I'm so happy na hindi niya nakalimutan ngayon. Baby! I don't know how! Ala!
Okay, we'll get it.
Ala! There's a car! Sure. Umandar kasi yung card. Buti na lang. Natatawa kasi itsura ng asawa ko. Ano yung itsura yan? Baby, how? Can you teach me how?
In here?
Oh, see, I'm so scared when I do that.
That's it. You just hold it for a few seconds.
I thought if I did that, the car is going there.
Yeah, it's as long as it's in park, it's not going anywhere.
Okay.
I'm sorry, baby.
Hindi na kami makachimpa.
fish. It's boiled over.
Nangangamoy Indian na rito mga kachopa kasi yung curry na nilagay namin. Yan. And then dito, yung ating noodles. And then andito yung timer for noodles, 10 minutes. And then this one is all the ingredients.
The red curry paste. This is to get the spice in there. It's kind of the same as yellow, but it's spicy. Get the spiciness. So it's cool down. So it's not so sticky. Because if you leave it hot, it's going to get sticky. So wash it cool down, wash all the excess off of it. So now I'm going to defrost the eggs are first because we got to get cooked. There we go. And we're gonna I think it's not so red this time because I only got 2 small cans. I just forgot the bamboo shoot. We're going to put that in a little bit later. Holy bamboo is going in. A little bit. That's a lot of meatballs.
That's what I thought.
Maybe I should have put the water a little bit lower. So I didn't have it too high. See, when you add in all the stuff, then it gets really full. But we need a lot of the broth anyway, so. Chicken, we have a lot of meat. Meatballs, chicken, eggs. It's gonna sink in there. Cilantro, green onion, and a touch of lime.
But cabbage.
I put the cabbage in there already. I usually I like to put it at the bottom, so it's heated by the hot soup. I don't put it at the top.
Wow.
Okay, show you how it's done.
I have no idea what's in here.
See, when you don't separate it, that's what happened. You got the big noodle.
That's a lot!
You already,
Only a little bit.
you already ate chicken. It doesn't want you to eat a little, it wants you to eat all of it.
There you go.
Hey, you gotta say that again. I want you to eat all of it.
There you go. Put some cabbage.
Come over here, you get a little bit cabbage, and do a little bit bean sprout.
House of the money.
And then we're gonna come over here. We'll go to the bottom so we can get some of the chicken, eggs, and bamboo. Meatballs at the top. And then get the broth. Fill it up.
Okay, it's enough.
And then we'll put in the fried garlic, fried onions. Just put them together in there. Bring it over here. And now we have sprinkle a little bit of cilantro, green onions.
I like the spring, I like
Touch,
cilantro.
Want more cilantro? You can get more. And we're ready. Let's pray first. Alright, y'all ready for this? Bum, 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 bum.
Thank you.
Of course. Listen, I think that my bowl is overdone.
Gotcha. Yeah, the bowl. I use a different yellow curry, so it might taste a little bit different, but it should be good too. Is it spicy or no?
No, it's not bad.
Good.
It's so spicy.
It does taste. Oh wait. Ooh. Some of the thing went to the wrong pipe of my throat. but other than that, it's you're right. It tastes different. But
Maybe I'm glad I didn't get more than 2 cups of red curry. That's perfect.
what happened? You got 3. That's
It's gonna be overly spicy.
okay. No, I don't want that. I mean, I'll still eat it, but like, yeah, I think I'll be spending a lot of time in Hona.
Very good.
So delicious.
Maybe I might have did it wrong, Winnie. But it ain't bad. It's good. It's just there's a lot of flavor. That's the thing.
Maybe the yellow curry is already spicy too.
Yeah. So delicious. It's kind of like laksa. No?
I gotta say, you're funny, Winnie. No, the recording's fine.
Maybe that big one is too much. Maybe next time I'll get 2 small ones.
Oh,
What's
It's
the,
very thick.
but it was good. I like this one.
You like this one?
What about you, Nick?
it's new.
Do you think you like the old recipe better? Or
I think this one.
The old ain't bad. This one ain't bad. I'll tell you guys what I was thinking earlier. It's hilarious, but yeah.
Hi mga chupa, tapos na kami magluto ng kapkong and dadalang ko yung aking friendly na si Ate Jurich at pupuntahan natin siya ngayon sa kanilang bahay. Papahatid ako sa asawa ko. 4th of July ngayon. Ito, this is your phone, B!
Looks like we're right there.
Higa na mga chupa. Ang sarap ng ng luto ng asawa ko for today. Medyo maanghang siya. That's why I like it. Pero, kain tayo ng matamis.
Ready?
B, you want medicine?
Huh?
You want medicine?
Your disease?
Medicine, not disease.
What's this? This sin? What's that?
Medicine.
Medicine.
Big medicine. Halika mga kasupa. Ah, baby, close the window. Kalimut na.
Chocolate almonds.
Color that.
Nick, we're going out. We'll be back later.
Konting kasalanan.
Let's go. Do I look skinnier?
No, still the same.
See?
In the back?
Yeah.
Mulan dito kanina. Hindi yung araw, naririnig ko. Alas 3. Kaya napuno yung aking back. Sabi ko, ito yung well na hindi naubusan ng tubig. Ito muna kami doon sana. Sa friend ko. Kay Ate Juliet. Sabi ko kasi papatiin ko sa kanya yung mong Disney paper. I'll give you the address. Hello, they have bazaar.
Special.
What's that?
It's like a flea market.
Ay, ang daming tao mga kachupo. Oh, ah!
Food.
They have food court. Hello, I wanna go!
We just ate.
There's a lot of people.
We can come back and look.
Yeah, later.
But we're not gonna buy any food.
Yeah, because we're just not eating.
Too full already.
What? Oh, there's a lot of people. Hello? Hello, babe, what's that? What's...
Food truck.
It's so a lot. Nakakatuwa
It's like the market.
naman.
We sell stuff.
No, B. I never experienced this. Let me put me back here.
Sale.
Huh? Put me back later, ah.
Yeah, when we come back.
Wanted to walk Marie.
Chicago hot dogs.
Where? Oh, they have Chicago hot dog.
But we're full.
Yeah, we're full.
Everybody's parked everywhere
Yeah, I'm walking.
to park.
I love it.
When we come back, we can have a look.
Yay. Before there's not allowed parking here, right?
You gotta make parking.
Yeah.
There's nowhere to park.
Hello, look at their tent too. They have net. Because maybe there's a lot of
Some
mosquito.
people park all the way over here and then walk all the way.
Yeah.
It's horrible.
Hello. I never see like this
The whole
before.
town is here.
Baby, I never see like this before.
Yeah, it's 4th of July. It's a big day in the United States.
Oo,
Big,
kachupa.
big
Ang
day.
daming tao ngayon.
It's a big day for Americans.
Nakakatawa.
It's for Americans. He's going to park up there.
Is it allowed?
Not really, but I don't know. Maybe they open it to do it this time.
Yeah.
Usually it's not allowed.
Okay, okay. You see the pine tree? Not that one, not
Next one?
yeah, the brown house there.
Okay. Okay, Frank. We found you. Firewood for sale, $4 per bundle. So he owns his house back here.
Yeah.
This is their house.
That's their house,
There's Marissa.
and then that's their apartment, their house. Guys.
Where am I gonna park? I guess I'll just.
Ah, sa Ate Mariso.
Okay. Let's go.
Hi, Ate. Wala sa Ate Jurich. Sakay punta. Hindi, penati.
Wow, we brought you guys some goodies.
It's a mong dish.
Mom, this?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's coming inside, but my house is still cleaning, but I'm gonna prepare.
Pasok tayo, Kachu.
Hindi naman ito ang hawak ko kutsara.
Wala ka pa nilagay. Ito ba?
Ito, yan na. Wait, tumatanda na talaga. Tawag dito. Ay, napanood mo na rin yung pangalawa.
Hindi, yung una lang. Meron na ba pangalawa?
Pangalawa, pangatlo, mayroon na.
Hindi kasi ako masyadong ano alam mo naman, lagi ako nag-edit ng vlog.
Oo. Oo. Eh, saan ka ba na nag-edit? Ang galing mo mag-edit, ha?
Sa CapCut, sa cellphone lang din.
Doon ka na nag-edit.
Ah,
Napakatsaga mo, be. Grabe. Hi, vlog! Sabi nila palagi na ako kasama sa vlog mo. Sino ba itong babae ko? Palagi kasama ni Winnie. Ito na lang. Tama ang ha.
yan yung yung tawag dito, lagyan mo toppings. Asan na yung toppings? Ano yung tumutunog?
Yurilo, be. Yurilo yung kapag
Mm.
pag quarter na ata. Kunti lang muna. Kasi actually, kumain na rin ako ng pansit kanina.
Ano mo na itong toppings? Excited mo picture.
Yung paghahalataan ko. Abe! Saan ako na ibabalik itong mga ito, ha? Kamayin ko na lang.
Oo.
Sorry na, kamay na lang.
Ito sa inyo to eh.
Namin ba yan?
Kaya nga dinala ko eh.
Hindi, ayaw ko muna magkalamansi. Hindi ko alam ba, ayaw ko ng kalamansi sa pansit.
Hindi ko siya inalo. Buti hindi ko siya inalo.
Weird
Ito,
dog.
naglagay ka na.
Sa loob.
Okay.
Last ba yun? Be, sinama na sa boat yung asawa mo.
Sarap.
Nanilipa siya, be.
Sabi sa maanghang.
Para na
Nahihiya nga ako ipatikim sa iba eh, kasi baka mamaya laitin, alam mo naman hindi ko luto. Pero masarap siya. Maninipa lang talaga yung anghang.
Ang talaga.
Sarap.
Ang sarap din. Para siyang Taiwanese na
Ako.
Japanese. Kasi yung lasa niya, para may mint. Na?
Ay gusto mo? Totoo.
Sarap. Promise. Mamatay.
May friend ako nagbigay sa akin ng salmon. Pakita natin yung salmon at si ate Ren.
Siyempre.
Ay, freshy pa, kachupa. Ang dami.
Buhay pa ate. Mayroon din akong ganyan din.
Mga 3 kilos mga kachupa. Magkano na rin yan?
Salmon yan.
Oo.
Mahal dito. Dollar.
Thank you, ate. Nagkwentuhan na. Nagkwentuhan na. Hindi mo na natapos yung labahin mo.
Hindi, okay lang. Naka-ano naman yung naka-dryer na siya. Last
Ito maganda rito, ate. Pagka nag-party tayo dyan,
Mayroon akong kasibo diyan eh. Ito na yung buwan dyan doon nawala.
Maganda dyan.
Nandoon sa garage.
Pwede okay din dyan. Tapos doon sa
Hindi, gusto ko doon sa puno. Kaso kasi mainit.
Oo,
Doon sa mga puno, maglagay ka ng ano.
Oo. Ayan,
Parang ano, Twilight.
Mga kachupa, pa-uwi na kami. Ayan, nabigyan pa ako ng salmon, mga kachupa. Pinamimigay na yung salmon dito. Kaya I'm so happy dahil meron na kaming salmon. Marami na akong kaibigan.
What's her name?
Remy.
Remy?
Yeah. She look like mom, no?
A little bit.
Magkamukha lang yung mom dito tsaka nung mga Pilipino. Uy, you're not going here.
Is it? I think it is. Columbus.
Are you sure? Yeah. I forgot. You like it? You like my friends now?
I think they're good for you.
Yeah.
If they're friendly too, they're good for you.
Lalo na malapit sila sa Panginoon. Kaya, thank you Lord for giving me friendship. That it's so good. I'm so happy dahil narinig ang Panginoon ng dasal ko. So, mga kachupa, hanggang dito na lang. Uwi muna kami sa bahay and then later mag-watch kami ng fireworks. Medyo mahaba na tayo mga kachupa. Ang dami naman pinag-usapan doon sa bahay nila. Kaya sabi ko, medyo napatagal lang. Kaya yun mga kachupa.